We're doing it on Omega. 407 part 1. I dueled before this. I thought it was gonna be 407, but the guy just scooped game 1 and 2, so I'm not uploading that one. This one is DRYTRON versus PK Fire. Burning Abyss Phantom Knights. It's gonna tour guide. It's gonna special summon level 3. I'm gonna ash that. I think ashing it is way too early. I've made that mistake on game 1 and game 3. I lose this game here. Cross out designator. Wow. He's gonna banish a cross or an ash, and that's gonna negate the ash. Okay. Special. Alright. 2 level 3 monsters for Cherubini. Graph. If it's dumped, if it's sent to the graveyard, special summon 1 Burning Abyss monster from your deck, except for itself. That's gonna be Skarm. Cherubini. What monsters? And target 1 Burning Abyss at games. Okay. Send. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's gonna send the gloves. Some special seer. Gloves, banish. Send. Levier. Detach. Special. 2+ dark monsters. Rusty. Rusty. Send. Set. Cloak. What does this guy do? Banish this card. Add 1 Phantom Knights card from your deck to your hand. Except for itself, and he added. What? It's for stained. Scales. Greaves. Greaves? How do you pronounce that one? For IP. Not the new art. That's a shame. Boots. Xyz. Effect. Gonna pop itself. Effect. Gonna bring back. And they gain a level right there for Anaconda. Verte, pay 2, and I got the Red Eyes package in here for Goon. Boots, banish, add wings, Skarm, add tour guide from deck. I think. Is that what he did? Oh. I pause that? Where'd fucking Skarm go? I'm on level 3. Yeah. Where? Level 3 from your deck to your hand, okay. What am I doing? Okay. Gonna IP to a Apple. Alpha, Tribute, and Negate with Apple. Zeta, Tribute, Gamma. Letting it go through, getting the Yugioh Ritual. Linked off for Karibo. I was gonna Gamma, Tribute Natasha, and I get negated with Apple, decreasing its attack by 800. Medium DRYTRON, Tribute, Special. Effect, target itself gain 500. getting half the attack, and then I tried going for a Dragoon, and he Dragooned it. Set called by Wings special, and then Rusty, and Scales. Scales gonna summon itself. Rusty is gonna banish because then Xyz monster, Dark Xyz monster is plus to this card. Going to all this cards on the field except for damage. You can target one card on the field and destroy it. Ah, god. And it was over from here. Oh! I win game 2. I win game 2 because of Red Eyes Fusion. I didn't get ashed, so that was great, and I just Dragoon pass. Just gonna do boots into Sal Mirage. It's gonna set, and that's it. Okay. Dragoon, pop, and direct. And that's it. Ooh, I was gonna banish to add a Phantom Knight's card, but then I negate from deck. So Scales. What the? They dump 2? Discard 1 card. Okay. Gloves. Fogblade. Fogblade. Banish. Special. Xyz effect. Detach. Special. Going into Verte. It's gonna pay 2 for Red Eyes. And I can't let that happen, so negate, and he scoops. Round 3. Yeah, once again, I negated way too early. I had the Ash. Like, I should have waited for Verte because Dragoon is a problem. Right there, that's the early negate. Way too early because he still had a lot of follow-up. So, talent, pot of greed, emergency, special from deck, wielder, psychic, like for Cherubini, dump graph, special seer, 2+ dark monsters, Rusty, seer. Target special. A Burning Abyss, so Cherubini. Rusty's gonna sense. Dump Scales. Set Shade. Shade. What does this guy do? You have no trap in your graveyard, you activate this card, turn it was set. You ain't got no trap, so yeah. Jesus Christ. Special boots. I went for a 3 negate Apple. Jeez. What was that? Boots, Spanish. Add Fogblade. Scales, special, Scales. Send and send. Banish, special. Effect. Switch, gain 800. Break sword. And then Rusty. Rusty's gonna pop. Break sword is gonna special. And the gain level went for Verte. This is where I should have, but then I would have got appled, so I ashed. Verte, copyright as fusion, fusion summon, dragoon, cloak, banish, add gloves. It's gonna set, and he's gonna target the wind to make it a dark. Oh, he didn't negate it. Okay. Is it a dark now? Still a wind. Foolish alpha. Normal. Diviner. I was gonna try to send Entis and pop, but I guess got negated. Decreasing its attack by 800, negating it. Alpha. Tribute. Gamma. Decreased 800 attack, negate. Gamma. Tribute. Natasha. Decreasing 800 to negate. Now it has 0. Okay. Yeah, did some damage. Attack to 0 attack. Apo with Diviner. Normal summons gloves. Rusty effect. Send to set. So he's got like double fog blade there, I think. Banish. Add. That was a normal summon? Summon this card. No, I think that was a special summon. Oh, we went for a unicorn, but then immediately went for a access code. Access code. Targeting Nightmare Unicorns. Gonna gain that much. That's a link rating. So, gained 3,000. Dragoon pop, burn. Oh, went for lethal and dang, he won. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck, 407. Well, the one I didn't record, I won, but he just scooped, so I was at 1176, 1154. Let's check out his deck. What was it? 407? 407. Right here. It's a 45 card deck. Here we go. He's got a lot of one-ofs for the hand traps for cross-out. Not bad, not bad. Still at 259. Still at 259. Comment, share, like, if you subbed, it's up, reflected. See you guys.